In under 10 minutes, you'll open a Fidelity account, buy your first index fund, and automate a system that invests for you every single month. We recommend Fidelity for beginners because they require zero minimum balance. You can open your account and start investing with as little as $1. They also offer the industry's only zero-fee index funds. While other brokerages charge expense ratios that take a percentage of your returns every year, Fidelity's zero-line funds charge you nothing. Because there are no account fees or minimums to worry about, every cent you deposit stays in your account to build your balance. Before we go to the website, stop and gather 4 specific items. You'll need your Social Security number, a government-issued photo ID, your bank account details, and your basic employer information. If you don't have a physical check for your bank details, you can find your routing and account numbers inside your mobile banking app. Having these 4 items ready prevents the application from timing out, which is the most common reason people stop halfway through the process. Go to fidelity.com and click the green button in the top right corner that says Open an Account. This takes you to a screen where you must choose your account type. A Roth IRA is a tax-free retirement account where growth is shielded from taxes, making it a powerful long-term savings tool. An individual brokerage account is flexible, with no age or withdrawal rules, but you will pay taxes on investment gains. While both accounts have their place, starting with the Roth IRA provides a significant tax advantage for a new investor. Select that option to continue. Enter your legal name, address, and date of birth. Make sure these details match your government ID exactly. Fidelity uses bank-level 256-bit encryption to protect your data, so you can safely enter your Social Security number when prompted. In the Employment section, enter your current employer. If you are a student or self-employed, simply select those options from the drop-down menu. To fund the account, enter your bank's routing number and your specific account number to connect your checking or savings. Now, choose an amount for your first deposit. Since there is no minimum, starting with even $25 is a great way to begin. Review the summary page and click Submit. You have just moved from the planning phase to officially owning a brokerage account. Now let's buy your first investment. Log in, click Trade at the top of the screen, and type FNILX into the search bar. This is the Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund. It tracks the 500 largest companies in the U.S. with a 0% expense ratio. Under the Order Type dropdown, select Dollar Amount. This allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest the exact amount of cash you have available. Select Market Order to buy the fund immediately at the current price. Review your order details and hit Submit. You are now an investor in the 500 largest companies in America. By choosing a broad index fund instead of a single stock, you have spread your risk across the entire U.S. economy. One trade is a start, but building a portfolio requires a consistent system. Click on Accounts, go to Automatic Investments, and select your FNILX fund. Set your monthly transfer for the day after your paycheck clears. This ensures your money is invested before you have the chance to spend it elsewhere. Your account is now open, funded, and fully automated. Over the next few decades, compound interest will act on these automated deposits, building a portfolio capable of supporting you in retirement. Taking the first step today is more important than waiting for the perfect market conditions. Comment below with your first investment fund and subscribe for more weekly tutorials.